Australia offers a variety of visa types depending on the purpose of travel, length of stay, and eligibility criteria. Below is an overview of the most common Australian visa categories. 1. Visitor visas. Subclass 600, Tourist Visa. Valid for tourists who want to visit Australia for leisure or to visit family/friends. Subclass 601, Electronic Travel Authority, ETA, available for passport holders of certain countries. It allows short stays, up to 3 months, for tourism or business. Subclass 651, eVisitor. Similar to the ETA but for citizens of the European Union and other eligible European countries. Allows short stays for tourism or business. 2. Student visas. Subclass 500, Student Visa, for international students enrolled in a full-time course in Australia. Allows students to work part-time during their studies. Subclass 590, Student Guardian Visa, for parents or guardians of international students under 18 years old. Allows them to stay in Australia as long as the student remains under their care. 3. Working and Skilled Visas. Subclass 189, Skilled Independent Visa, a points-based visa for skilled workers not sponsored by an employer, family, or state/territory. Subclass 190, Skilled Nominated Visa, for skilled workers nominated by an Australian state or territory government. Subclass 491, Skilled Work Regional, Provisional Visa, for skilled workers willing to live and work in regional Australia. This visa can lead to permanent residency. Subclass 482, Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, allows employers to sponsor a skilled worker for up to 4 years in occupations facing a labor shortage. Subclass 485, Temporary Graduate Visa, for international students who have recently graduated from an Australian educational institution. 4. Family and Partner Visas. Subclass 300, Prospective Marriage Visa, for individuals who intend to marry their Australian partner. It allows entry and stay in Australia for up to 9 months. Subclass 309 of 100, Partner Visa, Provisional and Permanent, for spouses or de facto partners of Australian citizens, permanent residents, or eligible New Zealand citizens. Subclass 309 is temporary and leads to Subclass 100, Permanent Residency. Subclass 101, Child Visa, for children of Australian citizens or permanent residents to live in Australia permanently. 5. Business and Investment Visas. Subclass 188, Business Innovation and Investment, Provisional Visa, for people with business skills who want to establish, develop, or manage a new or existing business in Australia. Subclass 132, Business Talent, Permanent Visa, for high-caliber business owners or entrepreneurs nominated by an Australian state or territory government. 6. Permanent Residency, PR, Visas. Subclass 189, Skilled Independent Visa, PR, a points-based visa allowing skilled workers to live and work permanently anywhere in Australia. Subclass 190, Skilled Nominated Visa, PR, for skilled workers nominated by a state or territory. Subclass 191, Permanent Residence, Skilled Regional, for holders of the 491 or 494 visas who have met the conditions and lived in regional Australia. 7. Humanitarian and Refugee Visas. Subclass 200, Refugee Visa, for people who are outside their home country and are subject to persecution. Subclass 202, Global Special Humanitarian Visa, for individuals subjected to substantial discrimination and human rights abuses. Subclass 204, Woman at Risk Visa, specifically for women outside their home country without the protection of a male relative and at risk of harm. 8. Working Holiday and Work and Holiday Visas. Subclass 417, Working Holiday Visa, for young people, usually aged 18 to 30, from eligible countries to holiday and work in Australia for up to 1 year. Subclass 462, Work and Holiday Visa, similar to the 417 visa but with different eligible countries and conditions. 9. Retirement Visas. Subclass 410, Retirement Visa, closed to new applicants, for self-funded retirees. Subclass 405, Investor Retirement Visa, for retirees who want to live in Australia and have substantial assets. 10. Other Temporary Visas. Subclass 408, Temporary Activity Visa, for individuals to participate in specific activities, such as sport, entertainment, or religious work, for up to 2 years. Subclass 417, Temporary Work, Short Stay Specialist Visa, for short-term, highly specialized, non-ongoing work. Each visa type has specific eligibility criteria, application processes, and conditions, so it's essential to choose the correct one based on your situation.